Hello everybody!
Hey, how are you guys doing? Welcome!
Yeah.
Welcome to the show, and we are the
Bubble Clan! And
Welcome to Bubble Travel.
yeah.
Welcome to Bubble Travels. Okay, where are we going and where are we right now?
Wow, okay. For today, we have a very fun and exciting activity. We are going to ATV Park Johor Bahru.
Yes, guys, today is the first ever event for the Bubble Clan podcast, for having all our listeners to be at ATV event for today.
It's gonna be muddy,
Yeah.
it's gonna be wet, but it's gonna be fun for family.
What are the activities that we have for you guys today? Actually, we have ATV rides.
Yes, correct?
And then we have scrambler rides.
Yes.
And then we have buggy rides.
Wow.
And all this will be happening in one place itself, guys. And thank you to the organizer, Chi, eh?
Yes, to the wondrous Cici and Sonia for organizing this wonderful event for all communities. Be it you are in paranormal, be it your podcast, you are explorer, anything.
Yes, guys, and if you like what you're seeing, please do follow them, the Wanderers, because they have an event soon with
Yes.
the paranormal consultants.
Yes, and it's going to be a wonderful event. We have Parabags, Paranormal and Urbex in August from 29 to 31st August.
Let's go to the event right now.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Sejuta cerita kita ceritakan. Jangan pendam dalam, jangan nanti sosial. Luahkan semua ke seluruh dunia. Yang penting happy buat semua. The Bubble Clan, The Bubble Clan, The Bubble Clan, The Bubble Clan Podcast. Sejuta cerita kita ceritakan. Jangan
Hello guys! Okay, so it's gonna be very dusty. So I have my magic bandana here, which I'm gonna convert it to be the same like Ahmad. Because for our I hijrah already.
Bodoh.
The Bubble Clan Podcast. The Bubble Clan. The Bubble Clan.
About believe it.
Okay, so what are you riding today?
E-bike scrambling.
Scrambler. So how confident are you?
Not so confident.
Hello. Hi, where are you from? Canada?
I'm from Singapore.
Oh,
I'm from
Singapore.
Park Legion.
Singapore, boring ah. We have families, we have friends coming for this event, and thank you to the Wanderers for organizing today's activities. So we're gonna enjoy ourselves. So see you guys on the trails. Let's go. Okay guys, we are with siapa ni namanya?
Saya Alif, Marshall Alif. Okay, sekarang kita punya base dekat Ecoflora. Dekat sini kita ada servis bagi renting untuk ATV, untuk buggy, untuk e-bikes, and then untuk limo punya buggy, which is 4-seater punya limo lah, punya buggy. Kita accept semua umur, tak kira budak ataupun dewasa, tapi dengan syarat yang budak tu ada consent daripada penjaga. And depends kalau budak tu boleh bawa, which is kita akan test dulu budak tu boleh bawa atau tak. And then kita akan bagi dia lah bawa. Banyak kita promote through Facebook, which is
Facebook.
ATV Park Johor.
ATV Park
ATV Park Johor.
Johor,
Yeah.
itu dia. Liv, thank you so much.
No
Kita
problem.
nak enjoy.
Okay.
Okay, so this is Sonia from the Wanderers.
Hey!
Thank you for making today's event, Sonia.
Building community is what's important. So we're going to have many events through the year. Anyone is welcome to join us. All of us can have safe fun.
Yeah, let's go. Mantap apa bang?
Yeah, repair terus.
Yeah. Jadi sini safety number one eh.
Safety number 1 bang.
Cantik. Okay guys, we are here. We are about to go on the trail itself. So if you guys like to play with dirt, if you guys like to be in a mess, come here. Austin, JB, ATV, Johor Bahru guys. Guys, we're gonna have fun. Let's go. Kita race. Aci is wearing mask. Yes, boss. We are the bubble. Let's go. Guys, if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to follow us, the Bubble Clan podcast. This is for Bubble Trouble.
Jangan nanti sosial, luahkan semua ke seluruh dunia. Yang penting happy buat semua.
Yes. This is called relaxing, having fun, having the bubble of your life, guys. Let's go!
Sejuta cerita
Dalam hutan pun jam.
kita ceritakan.
Tengok.
Jangan pendam dalam.
Apa ni? Dalam hutan pun jam ke?
Nanti sosial,
Betul, bayar.
luahkan semua.
Okay guys, so this is where you need to have your VEP card because they are doing checks if you don't have the tag, you cannot go enter. Look.
The Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan, the Bubble Clan podcast.
Okay, so you don't have to worry about safety. Everything is in order, guys. You have rangers, you have people, you have stuff to look after you. Like this guy on the left. Maybe he's part of the Bubble Clan podcast. He's wearing mask as well. Who knows? For podcaster. Let's go. Look at the front. Safety tip top. Okay, guys, let's go. Splash, 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 splash. Yeah! Woohoo! Guys, remember to bring spare shirt, spare t-shirt, spare pants, spare underwear, because look, feel it. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Abe, mandi, 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 mandi.
Hai, korang ada bisnes, ada HPP dan tapi ada tight budget untuk promo.
Tunggu apa lagi? Kontaklah kita The Bubble Clan. Kita ada macam-macam package untuk korang. Yang mana bisnes besar, bisnes kecil, semua kita boleh layan guys. Jangan takut, harga marhain. Kita boleh discuss macam mana nak bayar, berapa nak bayar, semua kita boleh buat. Tunggu apa lagi? Kontak kita sekarang, The Bubble Clan Podcast. Here we go, here we go, here we go.
What's up? Ambil!
Lagu yo. Flora, heaven, enjoy. Terbaik ya. This is rare guys, you can't find this in Singapore. Welcome to Malaysia, JB. Gang, that's why whatever we say, just go for it, just do it. If you go slow, if you have doubts within yourself, this is what happened to you. Okay guys, after a long ride, right now we're gonna go to heaven, Waterfall. Let's go.
Right guys, it's awesome. The trip was, I mean like, we are going around, up and down, slope, water, mud, and you can see that this is where we're gonna cleanse ourselves. It's worth it. You should come, you should come. Come on guys.
Let's go. Okay guys, the ride took us about maybe 1.5 hours. It was quite a journey, and all I can say is that I've enjoyed myself over here at this place, as you can't find this type of places in Singapore, especially the trail, especially the 4-wheel drive, and especially the the terrain. And yesterday night it was raining, so best. And Cici, jom Cici. Nampak tak?
Nampak ya?
Okay guys, they are from the Wanderers. Thank you so much for this event.
You are welcome. Have fun.
So Cici, what do you think of the whole thing?
It's good. As you can see, this is pagi. You should join us.
How about you, Sonia?
Oh my god, look.
Kecoh.
I was on the scrambler, but it was awesome.
Yes.
Okay guys, this girl, she love it. It's awesome. How's your awesome face?
Family fun.
Okay, she love it. I think you all should come and do guys follow the Wanderers, do follow the Bubble Clan podcast and everyone. Okay, so this is a good thing. Do come down guys. Welcome.
cerita, kita ceritakan.
How's the ride?
Tak pergi lagi. Highly recommended. Takut first time tau.
Naik motor sih.
ATV.
Helmet hijau, helmet hijau.
Helmet budak kau. Helmet budak kau, helmet budak.
Okay, so far group abang memang best lah. Group abang dengar cakap, dengar instruction kan, tak ada rebel kenapa nak langgar kita punya rules ke apa. Okay, so far okay. Customer abang antara customer yang kita akan ingat lah. Very nice lah.
Cun. Okay Glenn, we have come to the end of the tour lah. So we have enjoyed ourselves. So if you like what you see, do follow us on all our social media and give us a like, give us your comment. And this is Bubble Travels, and we're gonna do more, guys. Let's go.
Okay guys, jangan lupa subscribe to Bubble Clan Podcast from us ATV Park Johor.